teaching you guys on how to ventilate and the patterns I use for my ventilation. Okay, there are different patterns everyone uses to ventilate. Okay, but this is my pattern that I use. This is what works for me to give me a flawless hairline and neat ventilation hairline. Okay, so here am I picking out my strands, combing them out and sectioning them into a half an inch, okay, before ventilating. So I decided to drop this video, guys, because of one of my fan here in YouTube. I posted a video where I posted a short feed of this ventilation. So a fan asked that I should slow down the motion so that she can see how I do the ventilation patterns. Okay, so that's the main reason why I'm dropping this video here, and I hope that this video reaches to her. So guys, I pray that you guys should like, comment and share so that this video should reach to her or more than anyone who would need this video. Thank you. So the pattern I use for my ventilation is what is called diagonal pattern of ventilation. Okay, in this diagonal pattern of ventilation, I feel like this is the most naturalistic hairline. Like, it gives this small natural hair look. You know, the hair doesn't grow in line. When you look at your scalp, it doesn't go in line or in sections. But this diagonal pattern of ventilation, for me personally, gives me what I need and what I want, you know. So this pattern of ventilation is called diagonal pattern of ventilation. It moves in a slanting motion. So as you can see, I'm ventilating in one line, skipping the next line, ventilating one hole, skipping the next hole, ventilate one hole and skip the next hole. Okay, let me just leave you guys to watch it. So guys, I'm not really good at explaining, but you guys should watch. And if you have any questions, just drop it for me in the comment section. I'll do my very best to reply to all your questions. Okay, I pick only two strands of hair only, so it can give me this natural look. Okay, because the hair that I'm using, the bundle that I'm using to ventilate this hair, is a very light hair. You guys, the strands are not that thick. If the strands are thick, I will be picking up to like 1 inch or 2 still. Okay, but these strands of hair that I'm using are not thick. Okay, so I'm just taking only 2 strands of hair to ventilate this. So you guys can see that as I'm ventilating, I'm moving upward diagonally. Okay, in this ventilation net, you're going to see a line that moves diagonally, and you're going to see a line that moves vertically and horizontally. You get? I think I'm going to drop a video on that next. If you want me to drop a video on the lines that are on the ventilation net, let me know, so I'll make a video on that the soonest and drop it for you guys. If anyone is interested in the video, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, so that's the same way to get to the hairline. As you can see, I'm still ventilating diagonally. Ventilate on one hole, skip the next hole, ventilate the next hole, skip the next hole. Then when you get to this the second line, you skip one line, ventilate in between the lines, ventilate one hole, skip one hole in between the lines. Okay, to give you a natural hairline. So guys, I will appreciate you guys asking me questions and of things you understand, of things you want me to drop, things you want me to post, tutorials of things you want me to do on. Okay, then now I'll be dropping the final look of this ventilation. Frontal